What's up, everybody? I just got here to Target and I want to show you what I found. So I found this right here, 70 Dodge Hemi Challenger. It's from the new B case, and this is what I found as well. The new set of M2 case right here, a fresh case. Let's see what they got. We got the Chevy Camaro, another Chevy Camaro. You got the Golf 4 GT. I like this one right here. We got another 4 GT. Let's see what else we got. We got the Ford Mustang. Right here, another Ford Mustang. And we got the Dodge Dart. We got the Dodge Dart. And they got right here, they got the new set of the F1 premiums. So let's put these away. So let's see what they got. They got the number 31 MoneyGram Haas. They got the number 30 Red Bull. They got the number 63. They got the number 4 McLaren. They got the number 81 McLaren. Number 81 again, McLaren. Another number 4. Another number 4. And they do have the Fast and the Furious 5-pack as well. They do got the HW Motor Show 5-pack, which got the red Ferrari. So these right here, just the normal duds and peg warmers. So yeah, so if you guys like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe.